So let's move on to step 5. It says, let's create some lush grass in order to enrich the illustration. So grab the pen tool again and draw several paths which differ in size and direction in which they are set. So we're going to grab the pen tool. You got to start at the bottom and then click the second for the top, because the second one is going to be a lot thinner and the bottom one's going to be the thick part. So don't start at the top and click down. Go to the bottom and click up. That's one of the things I've learned. Let's get started, because we're going to have to set the profile to width profile 4 and the weight is 1. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go to the stroke, command click away to deselect, set the weight to 1, go to the profile, choose profile 4, and I'm going to choose different versions of green. Get the pen tool. So to do the grass, you have the stroke 1, you're going to change the fill to transparent, and you're going to choose different versions of green for the grass. Start at the bottom and then click the top, and you can kind of curve it a little bit. And then change width profile 4. I'm going to choose a color for my next blade of grass. A different green. Click down. There you go. Change width profile 4. Command click away. Click here. Go to color. Choose a different, like a darker green. Width profile 4. Command click away. It might also help to have the swatches readily available, so you can like command click on that and choose a different stroke of green, so you have like different colors. So you need to make quite a few. And always remember to go back and change it to profile 4. For some reason it just doesn't keep it. Click here. Go choose that green. Profile 4. And click away. I'm going to choose a lighter green. Profile 4. Choose this green. Got a command click away. Choose this green. Click away. Choose a darker green. Profile 4. Choose here. Profile 4. So get you quite a bit of grass, quite a variety, quite a few different sizes and shapes. Here, I'm going to do one more. Profile 4. And this one. Now the directions say, go to the color panel, use different shades of green for color objects. Once done, group the objects. It says Ctrl+G, that's for PC, Command+G for Mac. I'm going to get the selection tool. With the background still locked, I'm just going to select these so it doesn't select the background because it's locked. I selected all the blades I just drew, the grass. And I'm going to go Command+G. And they are now grouped. You can even see the group in the layers panel. Once the objects are still selected in the brushes panel, click the new brush button. So go to the brushes panel, window, brushes, and we're going to click the new brush button. So window brushes, click up here and choose new brush. We're going to choose scatter brush right here and click OK. And then we're going to enter the values in the directions for scatter brush. Look at the scatter brush options and enter these same values. It's very important that you do it exactly the same. This is size fixed. Spacing is random. Do 10%. Scatter is fixed at 0. Rotation is fixed at 0. Spacing 10. And we're going to call this grass brush. And then click OK. So in your brushes panel, you should see the grass brush right here now. Command click away. And then I'm going to choose this brush. And I'm going to use the line tool and draw a straight horizontal line. Let me get this back over. I'm going to draw a straight horizontal line. So hold down Shift to keep it straight and draw it across. If you hold down Shift, it keeps it straight. And then I'm going to choose this brush here and see what it does. It moves it across. So that straight line turns into the grass. Now we're not done. We're on step 6 now. Since we got a lawn with uniformly cut grass, we have to make it look more real. There's not enough randomness. So keep the path selected and go to Object, Expand Appearance. So with this selected, we're going to go Object, Expand Appearance. It says you need to ungroup the objects twice until you have those blades of grass individually separated. You're going to go Shift Command G. Shift Command G. So Shift Command G twice. It's very important that they're all ungrouped. To randomize the grass position, we're going to go Object, Transform, Transform Each. Object, Transform, Transform Each. And there's no exact numbers. In the scale section, change the vertical scale to 120 and move 23 minus 34 vertical, which I did not mean to press enter. So select those, play with the sliders until you get the result that you want best. Now I'm going to choose random, scale and stroke effects, transform patterns, and do preview. Oh yeah, see, once I hit preview, check this out. It kind of spreads them out, and that looks more realistic. So it says you can play with the sliders, but I'm pretty happy with that. Now step 7, keep all the transformed objects selected and go again. Object, transform, transform each. So object, transform, transform each. My existing settings should be unchanged, but this time confirm with copy. So go copy. And by using the transform again command, you quickly repeat the last transformation. So go Command D, and it does it again. So I'm going to move that up. There you go. So I got the grass and I got the clouds. Actually, I think I'm going to select my clouds and move them down a little bit. There. So I'm pretty happy with the randomness of the grass. I'm going to get rid of these. There might be some extra grass that might need to be erased. You can get the erase tool. And erase if you want. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Mine looks pretty close to that example. I'm going to get the erase tool and I'm going to zoom in. I'm just going to hold down Shift and go across and kind of create a straight line. There. Let's move to number 8.
Thank you all for watching.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.